Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the practice mode in CS2. To do it, click the play button, then choose practice and select casual. Make sure you have disabled open party mode and enabled these three options, because they are very helpful while practicing. Now choose the map you want to play. For me it will be Mirage, then hit go. As you can see, we are in the practice mode. Choose the side you want to play, for me it will be T side. And here we are. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!